Tens of thousands of Maine residents have installed heat pump water heaters, and surveys demonstrate a high level of customer satisfaction. Despite their widespread use, some heat pump water heater myths still persist. Myths that could reduce savings and leave users with a cold shower. These units provide plenty of hot water, can save you more than $3,000 over the life of the unit compared to electric water heaters. They typically have warranties lasting 10 years or more, and they help dehumidify the air around them. In addition to producing lots of hot water, heat pump water heaters can save more than $3,000 in energy costs over their lifespan. Myth 1. Venting the cool exhaust air outside saves energy. Fact. Venting exhaust air outside is a bad idea because any air exhausted outside will be replaced by outdoor air that could be far cooler. And when the unit is not running, there's an open hole through the wall that could let in cold air. In the summer, replacement air coming from outside could bring in moisture. Myth 2. Heat pump water heaters should be set to hybrid or energy saver mode. Fact. Keeping your water heater set to the heat pump mode will result in the most savings. Hybrid or electric-only mode should be used only during unusually high demand periods and only after increasing the temperature set point in heat pump mode to increase hot water production. Myth 3. Condensate water should be neutralized. Fact. This myth stems from the fact that acidic condensate produced by condensing gas boilers needs to be neutralized. Heat pump water heaters don't have flue gases. They are dehumidifiers, so their condensate comes from the air and does not need to be neutralized. Myth 4. They aren't efficient in Maine basements because they are tested at 68 degrees Fahrenheit and Maine basements are typically 55 degrees. Fact. Heat pump water heaters are tested with an ambient temperature of 67.5 degrees Fahrenheit, producing 135 degree water. This is a 67.5 degree temperature rise. In Maine, most basements are 55 degrees and water heaters are set at 120 degrees. This is a 65 degree temperature rise, which is slightly easier to achieve than the test case. Myth 5. Heat pump water heaters are not well suited to Maine's cold climate. Fact. Installed indoors, heat pump water heaters offer year-round savings regardless of climate. Tens of thousands of Maine residents have installed heat pump water heaters, and an Efficiency Maine customer satisfaction survey found that over 80% of those surveyed rated their satisfaction at 8 or higher on a scale of 0 to 10. Myth 6. Using electric mode in the winter saves money because it avoids stealing heat from your furnace. Fact. Even if your water heater is installed in a heated space, the heating system will have to replace heat that the water heater absorbs, but this is generally cheaper than using the water heater's electric mode. Electric mode is typically the most expensive way to heat water. Myth 7. If you need more hot water capacity, switch to electric mode. Fact. Always start with heat pump mode. If you're running out of water, try first switching to low-flow devices. If that doesn't work, turn up the temperature on your water heater and install an anti-scald mixing valve. If those two steps don't result in enough hot water, then switch to hybrid or energy saver mode. Hybrid or energy saver mode can heat water the fastest because it can use both the electric elements and heat pump simultaneously. To learn more about heat pump water heaters, please visit efficiencymaine.com for user tips and other resources, or you can call 866-376-2463.